I don't want to be an engineer who just operate machines. That's so 2010. I want to be a techno manager who can make machines, design, optimize, and command them. Anyway, by 2035, half of all factory operations will be automated. What is the fix then? NAMTECH, School of Manufacturing Technology, where I am learning manufacturing as intelligence in motion, seeing every process learn, adapt, and improve. Here are 5 ways I am building future factories before they exist. Number 5. I don't learn automation, I build it. Smart, adaptive systems where analytics, robotics, and design work together to solve bottlenecks before they happen. Number 4. I engineer processes for efficiency. Cycle time, material flow, energy use, everything is measured, modeled, and optimized to ensure future factories that don't just produce more but produce smarter, cleaner, and faster. Number 3. I learn by making, literally, like precision engineering our own yo-yo from scratch. Design, material selection, machining, assembly, quality control, and even sustainability scoring. A hands-on way to master the entire product life cycle in one build. Number 2. I redesign flows, not just fix flaws. From lean layouts to zero waste goals, we build systems that are meant to be. Number 1. Manufacturing is no longer about machines. It's about intelligent factories run by professionals who understand business, data, and automation as one language. Automation won't replace engineers. It will replace the ones who don't stay ahead. Scan the QR and join NAMTECH to start building what builds the world.